Okay, this is day 2 of my new training here. Last time I did 4 minutes and I got through 44 words. This time I'm going to do 5 minutes because I'm not going to do a test. I've gotten my Dvorak keyboard down here and the words I'm supposed to type up here. And I'm going to pop over my keyboard settings. That's down here. Ooh, that's not what we want. Right here. So I'm flipping over to Dvorak, and then I'm going to flip over and start my 5-minute timer. Start that guy up, and I'm going to click over here. And I'm terribly not very good at this. T-H-O. I don't want to use the other finger. Good thing space bar is still the same. O-U-T. This is all home row. And Sue. Distracting me that I'm recording this. You don't realize the frustration of learning things that you learned when you were a kid. It's kind of fun because it's new, but if I had to type anything for real, like if I had to type my notes today or even an email, T-U-N, it would be ridiculous. I had my 4-year-old typing the other day, and he types like 4 words per minute or something. And my daughter is not much faster. I think she's like 9 words per minute. So she's about what I'm going to be doing here. But they just think it's fun because there's no deadline. There's no speed at which they have to get anything done. Here's a good word. I'm pretty sure I can go faster if I concentrate here. Oh, hey, I missed that one. What did I flip back into? Yes. What's interesting is when you measure anything, you get better pretty quickly, but it's not a linear relationship. So you'll have good days and bad days, but the trend will be better. A lot of people get frustrated when they don't improve linearly. Oops. Oops, I just went back to QWERTY. UN. All right, so my 5 minutes is up, and I did 72 words. So let's see, 72 words. That's 14.4. That's pretty good. It feels terribly slow, but 14.4. 72 words. 14.4. So we're going to click over here, and I'm going to click over to here and put that in. So it's the 4th. Ooh, I'm still in QWERTY, or not. I see. I don't even know the rest of. I'm still in Dvorak. So my backslash button was. Dear, I don't even know where it is in Dvorak. We'll get there. So this is 5 out of 60 minutes. Oops. Ooh, hang on here. Let's get this right. 5 out of 60, so 0.083 hours practicing. And words per minute was 14.4. 14.4. I didn't test today. That's it. I'll keep track of that too. That's not an official test, so I'll put in the notes here. Did not test. This was done on the practice. The practice lesson on home row. And 5 minutes, 72 words. 73, no, that was, where am I? 72 out of 100 words on the home row. I think I'll be able to finish that in a day or two, all 100 words, and I'll move on to home row 10 keys. So that'll add in the middle 2 keys. I don't even know what they are. I guess I and D. So that'll be good. Be able to type lots of words with I and D. So did not test. This was on the practice lesson on home row. 5 minutes. Practice lesson 1. And that's it. That's going to be painful, but I'm excited to see this improvement. So I'm already going almost double my speed from yesterday. Of course, it's exactly the same thing that I typed yesterday, I think. So that'll be interesting to see the progress. So that's all for that.